Hey guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today our video is an unboxing of the new baby. I got the Gucci Marmont bag with the flap. Honestly, I don't really know the exact name of it right off the top of my head, but I will put it here. So we're unboxing her today. I did something a little crazy the other day and got myself a way too expensive of a birthday present. But I have worked my butt off with my small business. The pandemic is mentally exhausting, so I did something a little crazy and I got myself a new purse. And today we're gonna unbox it. But before, oh my god, I also took over my dad's Apple Watch because he never uses it. And I don't know how to turn the sound off. I literally put it on silent mode, but it still dings. So if you're hearing it ding, I don't know what's going on with that. But before we get into the video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where you can see how I style everything I talk about here on the channel and just get a closer look at my life in general. I post on there a lot. And then also, of course, subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's unbox this baby. So first of all, Gucci actually is like redid all of their packaging. They will never be black and white boxes and bags again. They have permanently switched to this green vibe, which I personally love. I mean, it doesn't go as good as decor, but it's super cute and beautiful and classic. But I also forgot to mention that the bag in here, it's pink and silver, so that's a bit different from all the other ones that are more neutral colors and gold. It's pink and silver. It's a little crazy, but okay. We are unribboning. Here we go. Here we go. I love saving this stuff and repurposing it, so we'll see what I can do with that. That could make a cute hair tie. So then here's the box. What if it just like wasn't in here or it was something else and they tricked me? Because they package it up like privately. All right. So we got the dust bag. I've actually never done an unboxing, so I don't even know like the proper etiquette, but I think I'm supposed to be pretty detailed in like what I show. So we have it coming in the dust bag with the Gucci patch. So this is really useful because my brand Hidden Jewels actually reworks these patches into hats. So I'm always buying them like on eBay, like these dust bags, and everywhere I can collect them from that are authentic. So now I have another one. And this one, obviously they're all brand new, but this one is like fully still wrapped up. Oh my god. I haven't filmed this for like a couple days since I bought it, so the excitement is real, and it was kind of spontaneous, so I haven't soaked it in yet. But here we are out here with that cushioning. Okay, there she is. Strap situation. Continuing with the beautiful unboxing. There's so much like packaging. So there is packaging on right here too. Taking that off, revealing the beautiful silver chain. All my bags are gold, so I think it's so exciting that I'm gonna finally have a silver hardware bag. Okay, so most of it is off. Inside we do still have some stuffing. Okay, wow, finally here she is after all of that commotion. So it is the normal sized one, so it's not the mini one. It's a really good size. I think it's like probably 8 by 6. No, 12 by 6 for sure, something like that. Here is a very detailed look at the bag. And then on the back side is a heart. How cute is that? Honestly, no one sees that, but what a cute little touch that they have included. And then here on the top, we have a double strap situation. And the purpose of that is so that you can wear it 2 ways. So the first way, and I think a way a lot of people, let me clip it, would wear it is by letting this one go down and then this one stays up. And I'm totally in pajama pants and did not think out that I should show it. Oops, I just hit my camera. Like where it goes on my body, so ignore my pajamas. But here we are. So this is where it sits on the body. Totally exposing myself. Like, look at how put together I am up here, and then pajamas. But so that's the crossbody. I did not buy it to wear it crossbody because I just never wear crossbodies anymore. But the second way is if you take this and you meet it with this one, and then it's perfect for right here. Whoop. Literally so cute. So some more details about the bag. So you open it with this clasp here, and there's a little push on the bottom that releases it. You open it up and it looks like this. And then when you go inside, let me get up and really show you all. Inside we have the Gucci Made in Italy tag. And then when we unzip, we have a pocket. These are all the cards that it comes with. And then the main cabin is a light suede color, which is really nice. And a lot of designers do this, and they say that they do that so that you can see what's in your bag and it's not just like a black hole. Obviously, ask any questions in the comments. Let me know video ideas. Let me know if you want to see like an updated designer bag haul, because I've sold and got new ones. So just let me know if you're interested in something like that. I love this so far. I mean, I just opened it, but I just love it visually. I think it's pretty practical. It has the flap. It has the easy closure, easy open. The inside is really spacious. I have a bunch of tiny shoulder bags. I don't really have a shoulder bag with like as much room as this, so I'm really excited to like actually be able to carry lots of things. I can't wait to style it with like a white tank, some high-waisted jeans, super simple, and then just be like with a pink Gucci bag. But yeah, I love her. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I will obviously be rocking this, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.